This 2016 Audi Q3 Premium Plus has a classy black exterior and delightful black leather interior. It's factory equipped with an impressive 2.0-liter four-cylinder TFSI engine and 6-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission. So this 2016 Audi Q3 Premium Plus produces an impressive 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Add in the road-handling front-wheel drive system, and this 2016 Audi Q3 Premium Plus is built for perfection. A few of the Q3 Premium Plus's valuable features include the panoramic sunroof, Bluetooth streaming audio, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Other desirable installed features include a moonroof, steering wheel audio controls, and it also has an MP3 player dock, as well as keyless entry, a leather interior, and power windows, rain-sensing windshield, and heated seats. In addition to this Audi Q3 Premium Plus, we have 3 other Q3s just like this one in stock at Audi Woodland Hills, located at 21301 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.